So if you can write an engaging script for your YouTube videos with AI, viewers will watch your videos for longer durations, and the algorithm will push your videos to more people, increasing your chances of going viral.
Every day, thousands of AI-generated videos go viral, and yet most YouTubers have no idea how to prompt AI tools like ChatGPT correctly to get those results. They give ChatGPT prompts that lack structure and audience psychology, resulting in generic scripts that never reach 1,000 views because they fail to hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. If this is you, then this video is very important for your channel, because here's what I'm going to do. First, I'll break down what actually makes scripts go viral. Then I'll reveal why your current AI scripts suck. And here's the best part. I'll show you how to use a proven prompt formula to guide ChatGPT to write engaging scripts for your YouTube videos, so that viewers will watch your videos from start to finish. And your audience retention will significantly improve, boosting your viral potential. Also, I'm going to prove this actually works by breaking down a viral video using this exact formula. Finally, there's this one part of the prompt that's absolutely game-changing. You definitely don't want to skip this.
So, let's begin.
Okay, so whenever the topic of writing a YouTube script comes up, everyone says to make it engaging. But what exactly makes a script so engaging that the video goes viral?
Is it about the hook or the editing? While this is important for getting attention, there's something more crucial for keeping it.
After studying viral videos for months, I found something that every single one has in common. The secret? They continuously give viewers new reasons to keep watching, which increases their views, watch time, and overall retention, making YouTube push the video to an even wider audience. For example, if you watch Veritasium videos, especially the ones where he covers science and historical topics, he starts his videos by telling a story, planting a question of what happens next in viewers' minds after hearing his story, to which Veritasium uses connecting points to slowly reveal the answers to maintain retention throughout the video, which explains why his videos consistently blow up. Another method is seen in Mr. Beast videos. He opens most of his challenge videos with high stakes that immediately make viewers curious about what the final outcome is going to be. He also uses unexpected twists right when viewer attention starts dropping to pull them back in, and he's constantly building suspense about what's coming next. So, regardless of whether it's Veritasium's educational storytelling or Mr. Beast's entertainment challenges, both creators master the same fundamental principle, triggering curiosity to drive engagement. Their scripts are engineered using psychology and tactics to create the most engaging videos, which increases their views, watch time, and overall retention needed to go viral. So, understanding what makes a script go viral is important. But here's the thing. If you want ChatGPT to actually generate that level of content, you can't just ask it to write a viral script. You need this next secret. So the reason many people get generic content is because they prompt ChatGPT wrong. They simply ask it to write a viral script without giving it the exact elements it needs for maximum impact. Think about it. Most viral YouTube videos you see actually follow a structure: an intro, content body, and a clear CTA. With the content being the most important part of your video because it delivers the value viewers came for. But still, even with the best written content, if your intro is weak, viewers will leave at the beginning. For writing an engaging intro with ChatGPT, keep in mind that every sentence should be as meaningful as possible. That doesn't just keep viewers watching, but immersed in your videos. You want to trigger an emotion in the mind of your viewer by either highlighting a relatable pain point or telling a story. For example, take a look at the video, How to Find Your Purpose, on Ali Abdal YouTube channel. The target audience of that video is those who feel unfulfilled in life, and the hook speaks directly to their pain point, feeling lost and behind. This grabs attention immediately. And when you give ChatGPT the right structure, it creates hooks like this that don't just grab viewers' attention, but make them want to keep watching the rest of your video. This is where you deliver on your hook's promise. Now, here is where most people get it wrong. For example, if your hook promises 3 productivity mistakes killing your focus, Asking ChatGPT to simply list them would make the script feel boring and less impactful. Instead, show why each matters. Tell it to elaborate on each point with emotions that viewers can relate to. You want them to feel the frustration of making that mistake, then show them how to fix it.
Call to action, also known as CTA. This is where you guide viewers on what action to take next after watching your video. Either to like, share, or comment. But a good call to action on YouTube goes beyond that. It builds on the value you just delivered. For example, if you just taught viewers 5 ChatGPT prompts that save 2 hours daily in your video, asking ChatGPT to write a simple like and subscribe CTA works, but isn't always the best approach. Instead, tell ChatGPT to write a CTA that directs viewers to another related video on your channel. This approach can help improve your reach and increase your chances of going viral. Now you understand what makes a script go viral, and the structure most viral scripts have that every script needs. Let's now talk about the actual prompt that makes ChatGPT write scripts that follow this viral structure. To be able to write a script with AI that can compete with one written by a professional YouTuber, it's critical not only to know what these elements are, but understand how each one works to make your script engaging. Let's see exactly how to use this prompt with an example. Imagine we're making a video titled, "How to Write High-Retention YouTube Script Using AI." We can then enter this prompt into ChatGPT like this.
I'm creating a video titled, "How to Write High-Retention Faceless YouTube Videos Using AI." The video targets faceless YouTubers who struggle to keep viewers watching their videos. The goal is to teach them how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to write engaging scripts that boost viewer retention.
Giving it context, so it knows what the video is about and who it's for. Next, we explain in detail what we want ChatGPT to do. That's the task we want it to carry out.
Write a well-crafted script with the title above.
Here we specify the platform we're making the video for, because even after giving ChatGPT the context, we still need to be specific about the platform, so it doesn't ramble on.
YouTube, for a 10-minute long-form faceless video.
Here's where we describe the audience, so that ChatGPT generates a script that speaks directly to the right audience.
My audience is mostly beginner YouTubers, between the ages of 24 to 30, looking for faster growth, better retention, and help with scripting.
This is where we tell ChatGPT how to structure the script, so it flows clearly and holds attention from start to finish.
Structure the script into labeled sections: hook, main content, and CTA. Then open the script with a relatable problem, using the PASS formula, which stands for problem, agitate, and solution, to grab viewers' attention. Clearly highlight the main challenges new creators face when trying to keep viewers watching. Agitate the consequences and emotional frustration caused by poorly written script. Then tease these 10 prompt elements: context, task, audience detail, structure, retention tactics, tone, writing style, emotional trigger, CTA, and format as the solution to their problem. Then, gradually explain each element of the prompt inside the main content using the 3-act storytelling framework, positioning it as the right prompt to use in AI tools like ChatGPT for structuring high-retention scripts. Spend at least 30 seconds on each major point. Each section should transition smoothly and include emotional pivots.
Next, we tell ChatGPT which retention tactics we want it to use inside the script to keep viewers hooked throughout the video.
Use a pattern interrupt every 30 to 60 seconds to recapture attention. They should feel natural. And add open loops where relevant to optimize retention. Also, use mini cliffhangers during transitions to maintain viewer engagement.
Here, we tell ChatGPT the tone we want for the script.
Use an engaging tone with punchy narration.
My favorite part. This is what prevents the script from sounding robotic. Because so far, all we've given ChatGPT is structure and tactics. But this covers the emotional connection. That prevents ChatGPT from leaning towards generic advice and surface-level tips, while keeping the focus on our target audience. Avoid generic scripting. Make each point specific, emotionally relatable, and tailored to real struggles of beginner faceless YouTubers. Use real feeling examples. Avoid vague tips. And speak as if you're talking directly to one frustrated creator, looking for clarity and a way forward. Next, we tell ChatGPT what type of emotional trigger to use and where it should show up in the script. Use either curiosity, urgency, or mild tension in each section and throughout the video to keep viewers engaged and emotionally hooked. Now we want ChatGPT to write the next action we want viewers to take concerning our video after watching. End with a strong CTA, redirecting viewers to another helpful video on my channel titled, How to Get Views on Your First Video, 5 Proven Strategies. Finally, here we tell ChatGPT how we want the full script to be presented in a way that makes it easy to film. Finally, deliver the script in paragraph form, including occasional direction for B-roll or visuals in brackets to aid editing flow. And here you have your engaging YouTube script written by AI, structured according to our proven prompt formula, with the hook style, storytelling framework, retention tactics, and tone we specified. Take a look at the intro hook. Notice how it starts by being relatable, addressing a pain point that immediately grabs viewers' attention. So now, let me prove this formula actually works. So this channel here with 59,000 subscribers got 1.2 million views on this video. I watched the video and found key elements that match this exact formula. First, he establishes a clear context, talking about the battle between fair and ruthless people in the pursuit of success, and also uses a relatable hook to grab viewers' attention. Next, he gives viewers the task of challenging their belief about power and morality, specifically whether being good is actually a strength or weakness when trying to succeed. He clearly targets a specific audience, ambitious people, struggling with fear or societal expectations, addressing their pain points and desires as individuals questioning morality and power norms. He uses Übermensch and master morality versus slave morality concepts as the storytelling framework to explain why evil people are rich. He structures the script with conflict, deep dive, and resolution. Format. He incorporates text overlays and graphics to maintain interest, and uses a serious and emotional tone with a philosophical edge to challenge viewers towards self-mastery. He uses emotional triggers, fear, confidence, curiosity, courage, and determination. He closes with a strong call to action, redirecting viewers to subscribe and like while promising more content. When we look closely at this viral video, we see it follows the formula perfectly. A clear context, storytelling flow that hooks and delivers value, a tone and style designed to engage emotionally, and a strong call to action that motivates viewers. One thing to keep in mind while using this method is that different types of videos need different approaches. For example, if you're making educational content, how-to tutorials, motivational videos, or marketing content, this formula would be useful because these types of videos need clear structure, emotional triggers, storytelling, and a strong CTA. Now imagine you're making a vlog or day-in-my-life content. This formula might feel too structured and scripted for that style. For vlogs and lifestyle content, you want to keep things more conversational. Focus on authentic moments instead of structured storytelling. Use softer transitions between topics, and let things flow naturally instead of forcing every element to serve a specific purpose. Remember, your formula should match your content type and what your audience expects. So if you have made it this far, comment which part of the formula you found most helpful. And do let me know if you're going to try this formula for your videos. On this channel, I make similar YouTube growth videos. So if you're interested in growing your channel, check out this video up here. And yeah, I'll see you there. Bye.